Welcome guys back, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful lilac leaf. It's a perfect to add to a flower for a project, or for example to add appliques to hats, blankets, sweaters and bags. For this leaf I was using 3mm crochet hook, and I was using yarn weight of 4. So let's get started. Make a slip knot, then we are going to chain 6 to begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's join into the ring. And now make a chain 5. 5, and now make 6 treble crochet into the ring. So you yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over twice, enter the hook, pull the yarn, pull through 2, then pull the yarn through 2 loops, and then pull through 2 again. This is the second treble crochet. Third, fourth, fifth, and the last one. Okay, 6. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now repeat again. 6 treble crochet into the ring. Six, and finish with chain 5 and join it into the round slips with a slip stitch. So this is the first round. The next round we are going to start with 5 single crochet into the chain 5 space. 5 single crochet, then you make a 1/2 double crochet, and then 5 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the chain 3 space we're going to make 2 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, then chain 2 and repeat in the opposite direction 1 treble crochet and 2 double crochet. So now you're going to repeat everything for this side of the leaf. Now make a 5 single crochet, one half double crochet, and in the chain 5 space make 5 single crochet. And slip stitch into the first stitch. Okay, we've done with the second row, second round, and now make a 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the next 6 stitches we are going to make 2 single crochet in each stitch in the next 6 stitches, 2 single crochet, so in total 12. Then 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the chain 2 space single crochet, chain 3, and 1 more single crochet, and repeat everything. 2 single crochets, then in the next 6 stitches 2 single crochet in each stitch, and 6 single crochet in the next 6 stitches. And the last one, and slip stitch. Now we are going to make a stalk. That's how it looks now, and make chain 9. And into the third stitch from the hook make slip stitch, and in all other stitch stitches across, slip stitch, slip stitch, and the last slip stitch to the body of the leaf. Cut the yarn, so now let me show you a little bit how I'm uh, how I weave in ends. So I just pick up stitches on the wrong side and pull my tail underneath. Like this. You can cut it. It's actually enough, or just go on. Camera doesn't focus a little bit. Oh, yeah. That's it. Look at those leaves. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this tutorial. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing it and subscribing. Have a lovely crochet day. I hope to see you again in my next tutorial. Bye!